Hey traders, I want to show you a potential live setup happening. You can see we've had this strong push up after a break a new low, and I'm looking for a second entry long or a failed second entry short, depending on whichever forms first and if it looks nice. We had a micro first entry short there, but still kind of looks like one leg, so let's see if we can break below again. You can see we had this uptrend with a break a new high. We've corrected about 50%, and now we got this this downtrend with a break a new low, and now this really strong bullish leg up. And now we're returning to the EMA, and we did break below there, so this would be a failed second entry short visually and still by the count as well. So if we get a good bar, actually I'll probably take this on engulfing. Just because it's a failure. This was a really strong move up, so I like this. I am going to place the order. And we're in this, moving my stop loss one tick below the signal bar, and we're just going to go for 6 based on the ATR of around 12. And let's see, hopefully this finishes bullish anyway. You can see the bigger picture here. And perfect, it closes on its high, so that's great. And we're just a tick or two away from our target. And if I waited on close, I'd also be in this. And I really like how strong this micro uptrend was, so I really expect to get a new high. And it is turning against us a little bit, but that you don't like to see that on a trap, but just maybe want to test the EMA one more time. See how this closes. Let's see here. We actually get a bearish close. This actually may create like a second entry now, so hopefully that would push it higher if we can survive that long. Prices have really been slow last several days. It's been a lot harder trading, frankly. But this one looks fairly clear to me. Downtrend played out, strong push up. We corrected, like I said, 50% of the uptrend, so usually prices will, if they're going to turn, they'll turn at that level. So this looks like it may create a second entry long now. But it's getting a little congested now that that bar after the signal bar closed bearish, and now we're starting to stack up a little bit. But this is creating a second entry long now, so this may just trap even more shorts. We'll see. And at the last second, it closes bearish, so this actually closed below the EMA now, so that's not looking too great. Thankful that my entry was on engulfing, because if I did wait, I probably would have still taken that at the high right there. So save a few ticks of risk, and if we do get out, we'll get out a little sooner before any folks that entered at the top of that bullish signal bar. Making sure, no, there's no wider downtrend that looks valid. So, it's looking like it may stop us out. Getting really close. Let's see. And now we get the second entry that triggered. It looks decent. It's kind of small, still congested, but hopefully this will push it high enough to get our scalp. really starting to stack up though. I'm gonna hold this. Let's see, it looks like it's gonna push higher now. Just a couple more ticks. Getting really close. Oh, turning again. Let's see. Yeah, and I would have gotten the scalp on that if I took the second entry long. But really that was too congested at that point. And it looks like it's going to get us. Had a chance to exit break even. That may have been the better play, but frankly it kind of messes with me when I exit early, and then it ends up working, so I'm just going to hold it. Looks like it's going to get us though. And you would have been stopped. Well, if you went for more than 6 ticks, you would have been stopped out of the second entry long. Now it did tick lower there. And it's like it's going to get us. Yep. It's trying to survive right at the low. Yep, and it gets us there. That one's unfortunate. I still like that setup, even looking at it now in retrospect, so that's a shame. So anyway, failed second entry short after a strong micro uptrend. Hope you guys enjoyed.